Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free coins on Crushon AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Crushon AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now at the bottom of your screen, you're gonna see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages, and your profile. Under your profile, you're gonna see a prompt with free plan. Above free plan, you'll see a small Get More Uses option. Tap on it. There you'll see three categories: Task, Redeem, and Achievement. Under Tasks, you can see Daily Tasks and Special Tasks. There you can see you can create a first character, you can invite friends, complete information, daily view memory, watch a commercial, daily conversation. Do one of these then, or do all of that, then you're gonna get few free coins. And guys, that's it. That's how you get free coins on Crushon AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.